Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Soundhound AI stock. Guys, can this thing do it right from where it is? Is it coming? What is coming, Junior Trader? Well, can we squeeze up higher? Is there a squeeze coming again, next move to the upside? Let's take a look at all of those possibilities in this video. Things on technicals are looking in the direction that possibly a squeeze is coming, and this is what I'll be providing in this video. As for how to what are the key levels, the areas, the price structure you need to continue to see for this continuation to happen to the upside. Now, with that, I also want to let you know that, guys, none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes and just my opinion. There is guarantee of nothing. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? Now, the last time when I covered Soundhound AI was when the price was right over here, and I said that, guys, expect an explosive move to the upside, continuation to the upside. That was after earnings because technicals were holding strong, right? These were the pivots, right? And Soundhound wasn't breaking to the downside structure after earnings, so there was an continuation to the upside that was expected. We went as high as $5.97 and we started to slow down there. The thing is that though, and I gotta get rid of this red line here, we don't need this anymore. The thing is that though, yes, we slowed down, but we never became bearish. The structure change to the downside was below $4.97 or below this, 20 days moving average or the trend line, according to the stop losses, right? Structure is still on Soundhound AI to the upside. Now, this green candle as it's coming, guys, this is, guys, what is it? We are holding the level $4.97. We are still having a higher pivot. We are into that back in the trend line, right, which has had so many pivots on daily interval. We are on daily interval right now. Things are still bullish, and not just that. We have a green candle marking a pivot, marking a pullback, taking out a previous red candle. So yes, we are still in an uptrend. Soundhound AI can continue higher. Now, what are some more reasons that tells me that this is a good confirmation? But if you have been following my videos, you already know how to do the technicals. Again, I'm just providing you the structure here and just my opinion. Do your own due diligence. What I'm also seeing is that we are finding support at 200 hours moving average, fell back, found support at 20 hours moving average into the pullback, shot back up. Right now, there's a highly possibilities that pullbacks on this are going to be bought back up. The structure is also back again to the upside, guys. This is the consolidations that we were having over here, and then we start to form lower highs. That is already negated with that pivot and 200 hours moving average support, and we are back again from the intraday, back again to in the uptrend. Now the thing is that, yes, it's a long play in just my opinion. The stop losses are needed regardless. Stop loss could be below this trend line or below the 20 days moving average. But yeah, there's a possibility we might be soon seeing again $5.97, and if we continue higher, then next level, levels will form as we go along, but $7.90 could be taken a look at the next level. But yeah, things are still to the upside. Now, structure, where's the structure change? If Soundhound AI loses $4.98 with 20 days moving average, that will be a structural change, and then things will look bearish, and that will make it go to the downside. All right, so that's with Soundhound AI, guys. So things are looking strong still to me. We have, this is 7 days ago though, Soundhound AI price target maintained with a $7 per share by HC Wainwright and Corporation. But anyways, okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Let's take a look at 5 minutes as well. Let's see how things are looking on the 5 minutes. So here's the thing, right? Like you can see the volumes coming in strong. Look at that volume down there. Such a strong volume that came. And yeah, clearly been going in an uptrend. Pullbacks on this got bought back up, and we are just been heading higher here. So Yeah, things are bullish, guys, on Soundhound AI. All right, well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I did a video on Nvidia this morning. Check that out on my channel. But to really quickly show you that things on Nvidia are still holding strong. I'll do another video on this later, but yeah, things on this are still holding strong. Still in the bullish camp. I'll do another video, as I said. Okay. QQ and SPY, and let's go to the daily intervals. So showing some sell-off up at the all-time highs, but again, structure is still bullish though, guys. Still bullish, higher highs, higher lows. I'm not seeing a pivot loss. I'm not seeing a structure change. Still to the upside. And similarly with SPY, still structure to the upside. Some sell-off is coming at the top, but it's not going to just make things bearish right away. Well, yeah, you should need to take profits at these extensions, but structure lose at 527 or structure loss at 524 is what will start to give some confirmed downside. But the bulls have still a lot of room to play. On daily, that will just be a pullback, even if we come down to $518, right? So yeah, things are very strong still. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. Most importantly, I wanted to cover SoundHound AI here, and seems like as long as it continues to hold this trend line and the pivot zones, yeah, this thing has a room to continue higher. All right, that's it. If you found helpful, valuable this video, guys, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.